ang second day ko, lagi akong inaantok. Sabi ko, hindi mo ako puyat, hindi mo ako, pero bakit ganun, sir?
Well, yes. Well, based on our data, no, kasi we just want to tell our ang tawag nito, mga listeners, that the therapeutic device or the high potential therapy was been first used in Japan in 1928. 1928. So if you're going to compute it now, 2026, that's already 98 years.
Yeah.
And second is yung machine was approved, was approved in 1963 by the Ministry of Health, Labor and Welfare in Japan. So if we're going to compute 1923 and 1963, that is 35 years before siya in-approve as a medical device.
So tagal din na pag-aaral.
Sobrang tagal. And also upon my research, it says that if you have a medical device, if you want that to be approved, yung pinakamahirap na approval is from Japan because they have the highest standards when it comes to quality, safety. So, isa ang Japan sa pinakamahirap to approve. So, this machine, since this is a Japan technology, so it was approved by the Welfare of Health, Labor and Ministry in 1963. So, kung 1963 tayo magbe-base up to 2026, so ilang years na siya? So, that's around 65 or 63 years na ginagamit na siya. So, we know that ang dami mga tinatawag na invention about breakthrough in everything, katulad ng mga gamot. And after that, may recall na tinatawag. Yung recall, for example, for lowering your cholesterol, there is something like a brand. So, there's a recall. So what happened doon sa mga nakainom? Because na-find out na okay pala, ito pala, meron silang ganito. But I'm so, ang tawag nito, confident with the product because if it's approved by 1963 and this is now in the 2026, there is no recall. No recall for that product if there is a side effect or whatever. So it means how many years they've been using it in Japan sa mga medical, sa mga like hospitals, like mga iba-iba na pwedeng paggamitin ng ating high potential therapy. And at the same time, ginagamit ito as a household therapeutic device. So, yun po. Pag sinabi nating side effect, it is not a side effect. Ang tawag namin doon is improvement. You are now experiencing an improvement reaction. Yung iba, dumi ng dumi, they feel like diarrhea. So, sabi ng aking client, sir, pwede ba akong uminom ng yung pampaano ba sa diarrhea? Sabi ko naman, it's part of the improvement reaction. So if you're going to take medicine for that to stop, ibig sabihin, ang ginagawa lang kasi ng medicine, your intestine will be like, parang i-freeze niya, parang hindi siya gumalaw, parang hindi ka dumumi. Ngayon, ang tao kasi you have to move. Every time you have to move. So even your digestive system, like your intestine, the large and small intestine, gumagalaw siya konti-konti. Gumagalaw siya konti-konti. So, ibig sabihin, pa konti-konti hanggang sa mailabas yung dumi. So, you need that sufficient energy to do that. Kaya, when you're getting older, lack of energy ka. So, ibig sabihin, your body is trying to consume those energy to the most important thing or the vital things. Katulad ng palpitation of the heart, uunahin niya yon. Kidney filtration, uunahin niya yon. The liver detoxification, yun ang uunahin ng body mo to consume that energy. Hindi niya uunahin yung pagpatubo ng buhok mo, hindi niya uunahin
ang mga
everything.
toxin mo nang aalisin.
Right.
Para nang sa ganun, yung mga pagbabago sa katawan mo, mas madali ang progress.
Yes, and that is uulitin lang natin, the essential foundation for restoration or the preventive care is you have to remove to restore it. So yun po, yung may side effect po ba or whatever, you may feel discomfort if you're using the treatment because it's new to your body. So if ever you feel discomfort, you only have to ask our wellness consultant so that they can explain it to you. So sabi ko nga doon sa isang client natin that they have the diarrhea after the treatment. So I just told them that it is part of the improvement reaction. So don't take that. You just have to the treatment for 30 days until maging normal siya ulit. So hindi siya side effect. Some people think that it is a side effect na parang bakit gano'n? Nung nag-therapy ako, parang feeling ko lalo ako nagkasakit. Yung aking tuhod parang lalong namaga. Yung ganito, ganyan. But actually that is an improvement reaction. So we have studies regarding with that, and that is the reason why if you are doing the treatment by not just sitting down, the most important is you have to listen with the lecture because it's really, really important for you to understand how it works para nang sa ganun. And also, we are encouraging our clients to ask questions so that we can answer kung ano yung mga tinatanong nila, especially sa ating treatment na ginagawa dito sa Izuno.
Ayan. Ang dami na nating nalaman about the Izumi. Ngayon, dito na tayo sa mga question is answer, sir.
Aha.
Ano, may mga question and answer tayo dito
Okay.
from our listener. Mula ito kay Alma ng Barangay Zone 2. Sabi niya dito, I am 64 years old na po. Marami na pong complications sa aking katawan, sakit sa puso, mataas na uric acid, pamamaga ng mga daliri dahil mataas din po ang aking gout. Yan po ba ay may maitulong ang Izumi sa akin? Dahil doon sa mga napag-usapan niyo po, parang ang ganda po kung nare-recharge at napapabago po ang kalusugan ng isang tao, lalo na po sa tulad kong senior. Pakisagot naman po. Salamat. So, si Ma'am Alma ng Barangay Zone 2.
Alright. Hi, Ma'am Alma. I hope you're doing fine today. Well, to answer your question, paano ba matutulungan? Especially, ang dami niya nang nasabi. Heart problem, arthritis, gout, namamaga, uric acid, etc. etc. So, paano po kayo matutulungan ng ating therapy? So, ang gagawin nyo lang po kasi doon is uupo ka lang. So, kapag umupo kayo doon, the machine will produce 9,000 volts. But, yung 9,000 volts is to put your body in a high voltage environment. So, kapag ang katawan po natin, meron tayong tinatawag na recharging your body, ibig sabihin, your cells, kasi ang maganda nga dito, Ma'am Alma, this is holistic treatment. Ibig sabihin, not only focusing on your heart problem, not only focusing on your gout and everything, holistic as a whole. So this is a cellular level, or sabi nating molecular level. So, kapag nag-undergo tayo ng therapy and yung ating katawan ay na-charge, ibig sabihin, your body now has the ability to heal itself. So, we have to remember na ang katawan natin is created to heal itself. No? To heal itself. Ibig sabihin, yung katawan, kinreate siya, it's like automatic na yung katawan mo is kailangan siyang pagalingin ng sarili mong katawan. So, the main purpose, no? Paano ka gumaling? You need an energy. Tama. So, pag nagkakaedad ka na din, the main source of energy ng body is, of course, food. Tama? Food is the number one source of energy. So, konti pagkain, konti energy. Hindi naman pwedeng konti pagkain times 2 ang energy. There's no such thing as that. So, kapag nagkakasakit, syempre, sa pagkain, konti din. Kasi gana mo and everything.
Wala nang ganang kumain.
Walang ganang kumain.
Kasi
Kaya,
low energy ka nga eh.
correct. Kumbaga, hindi na siya balance, no? Uric acid, hindi na balance. Kasi 'di ba, yung uric acid sa katagalan nagiging parang crystal. Imagine, parang may mga crystal diyan sa mga joints mo. So nagkakaroon ng tusok-tusok there. So your cells is now inflamed. And that is the reason why nagkakaroon ng pamamaga. And that is what we call now the cell inflammation. So ngayon, ang may tutulong po ng ating machine to your body, uunahin nga po natin that we are not really focusing on the fruit. No? The fruit. Kasi sa conventional, they will give you medicine for that. Pero sa atin naman, since we are a non-conventional system, so ibig sabihin po, we are focusing on the root, which is removing all the toxins. So, from the word uric acids, it's an acid. So, you have to remove. No? Kaya nga, restore, remove, to restore. So, paano yun, Ma'am Alma? No? Matutulungan yung mga problem mo, especially you have that higher uric acid from the word remove.
Siyempre sir, pag may mga ganyang komplikasyon na, may maintenance niya for sure.
That's right.
Isa sa mga worried ng ilan nating kababayan is once na marami kang tinitake na mga medicine, how true sir, na ito, ano ko lang to, pero I know na hindi to under ng Izumi, but the question is, yung mga nagtitake po ba ng gamot, kailangan ba nilang itigil pag nag-treatment sila ng Izumi?
Okay. Well, that's a very good question. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, yun nga, we have to understand we have the conventional and the non-conventional system when it comes to medicine. So, ang explanation po natin dyan, kung sino ang nagbigay sa iyo ng gamot, sila naman ang may karapatan to let you know na tatanggalin na yung gamot or babawasan na yung gamot. So, we don't encourage our clients to stop their medication. Ang goal natin dito is to help your body to restore. So, ibig sabihin po, kapag you do the treatment sa Izumi Wellness Center, you continue your medication, and after that, laboratory will tell the truth. Kasi from the laboratory, katulad nun, last week, merong tuwang-tuwa Actually, mataas ang uric acid, mataas ang sugar, as in mataas yung laboratory nila for the longest time. So, nag-treatment lang tayo dito sa Izumi, nag-try din sila. Pinakita nila yung laboratory results. So, they're very happy with the result kasi lahat nga bumaba. So, of course, kapag bumaba siya, there is no reason for you to continue or there is no reason for you to maintain the high dosage of the medicine. That's the goal. It must be parang tinutulungan yung body natin para mabawasan. No? So we don't encourage you to stop your medication. You can continue doing that. You do the conventional and the non-conventional treatment, and at the end of the day, your body will benefit from it. Kaya po, don't stop your medication. You continue it. And at the same time, of course, you have to change your lifestyle as well. Tapos you do the laboratory test. Kasi ang mga doctors naman natin, they're really after with the numbers. No? So if they check the numbers is really like going down or nagiging balance na siya. So that's the time na, okay, since that your cholesterol mababa na, so maybe you can remove this. You just have to continue what you're doing. Something like that. So we don't encourage them to stop the medication. Let the treatment help their body to restore it. And kapag naging balance naman na ang lahat, so there's no way for you to take medication.
Okay. So sir, before ang lahat, dahil mga bagong bulan, meron po tayong isang testimonial from our kababayan dito sa bulan na magpapatotoo na talaga may naitulong ang Izumi. Pero before that, this is my last question, sir. Ito ay question ng karamihan. Kasi pag once na may mga ganyang medicine, kaakibat is money.
Yeah.
Mag-aware tayo dyan. Ang tanong dito ng karamihan na hindi pa nakakapag-treatment, may bayad po ba ang wellness para magpapatreatment?
Okay. So, let me answer that, no? Unang-una sa lahat, what is the purpose why we're doing it? No, the purpose is to share, no, the treatment to us, especially dito sa Bicol, to share. Ngayon po, as part of that, we need to do the advertising. We have to advertise. So, radio broadcasting is a great help. But of course, if hindi mo siya nasubukan, maybe it's so hard for you to believe. Dahil unang-una sa lahat, uupo ka lang naman wala ka naman nararamdaman. So, paano siya, how it works? That's why we're offering it for 30 days. And as part of our advertising for people to try. So, it's for free. No? Ibig sabihin, bakit free? Kasi walang bayad.
Siyempre, pag free, alam naman natin, kailangan natin yan. Lalo sa mga talagang kapo sa buhay. So, malaki talaga na itutulong ng wellness. Ako, makakapagsabi ako niyan na marami mga kabayan sa bulan na talagang happy na may Izumi sa bulan. So, isa po sa ating kababayan sa bulan, mga kabagong bulan, ang ating nakunan ng testimony regarding sa Izumi. Isa po sa presidente ng Barangay Song 7, ang nahinga natin ng kanyang testimony. Panoorin po natin ang kanyang testimony, mga kabagong bulan.
Ako po si Sheila Marie Graspela, 54 years old, nakatira sa Zone 7, Bulan, Sorsogon. Ako ay may goiter na malignant sa loob. Nagkaroon ako ng bukol. Ako po si Sheila Marie Graspela, 54 years old, nakatira sa Zone 7, Bulan, Sorsogon. Ako ay may goiter na malignant sa loob. Nagkaroon ako ng bukol hanggang sa punta ako ng doktor para malaman ko kung ano talaga ito. Hanggang sa nagkaroon ako ng gamot, patuloy ako nagiinom hanggang sa may nag-invite sa akin na kaibigan na mag-Izumi ako doon sa Maynila. Hanggang after 3 months, kakaisumi ko, bumalik ako sa aking doktor. Nagulat ang aking doktor na wala na akong bukol. Hanggang sa umuwi ako ng diet, doon sa side ng asawa, may nakita naman ako doon na isumi. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ako nag-isumi hanggang sa nalaman ko may bukol pa ang aking dibdib. Hanggang sa pinagpatuloy ko ang isumi, hanggang sa nawala na rin yung bukol na tumutubo ulit sa akin. Hanggang sa patuloy akong nag-iisumi, hanggang sa umuwi ako dito sa Bulan, nakita ko itong isumi sa Bulan. Nagpatuloy ako hanggang nag-13 days ako, na-invite ko ang aking mga magulang na may sakit. Hanggang sa ngayon, nagtitherapy pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Kaya salamat sa isumi na mayroon na dito sa Bulan. Thank you, isumi.
Bagong bulan sa ating programa at yun napanood natin yung testimony ng isa sa mga kababayan natin dito sa Bulan na talagang malaki ang naitulong ng isumi. Ikaw ba naman, mga bukol mo na, ang tagal mo ng problema, isumi lang pala ang katapat. Anyway, magagano pa man, thank you so much Sir Elijah sa ganitong opportunity sa aming mga kababayan sa Bulan. Of course, ako, malaki ang pasalamat ko sa isumi dahil ako rin alam ko may improvement sa aking health. So, ako'y nagpapatuloy until now sa isumi. At yun din ang naging rason at nagka-interest ako na ikay makapanin dahil alam ko marami pa tayong matutulungan mga kabayan sa Bulan. Anyway, dito na tayo mga kabagong Bulan sa another question natin kay Sir Elijah. Ito ay tanong ng karamihan sa ating mga kabayan doon sa mga mayroong cancer. Nakakatulong din po ba ang isumi sa may mga cancer? Go ahead po, sir.
Alright, so regarding with cancer, well, sa isumi kasi, we don't allow cancer patient. So there's a reason behind that. Number one, the therapy is not intended for cancer patient. No, so we just want to clear that that the machine is not intended to cure cancer patient. So kapag ang isang tao may cancer na, ibig sabihin they have their oncologist with them. So if ever they want to use the treatment, they have to ask permission from the oncologist. Kasi kapag cancer na po kasi ang pinag-uusapan, they don't want to intervene with other alternatives. They're just focusing on kung ano yung treatment ang gusto nilang gawin sa may mga cancer. And of course, kapag yung tao, kapag may cancer, hindi na po natin siya ina-allowed. But kapag umupo naman sila sa therapy, wala naman siyang masasabing side effect. No? Wala naman siyang side effect. Kaya lang, mas maganda if they can ask their doctor first if they can try the high potential therapy because uunahin natin that is not intended for cancer patient. Kasi mga may cancer, ibang treatment ang sa kanila. Katulad po ng chemotherapy. So that is for cancer patient. So, yun nga po, paano naman sir? Kasi yun ang mindset nila kung hindi pwede ito may cancer, paano pala kami, hindi naman namin alam na may cancer kami. Diba? Tapos nagti-therapy kami kasi hindi nyo na ina-allow yung cancer. Kaya from the first answer, it must be very clear that it is not intended for cancer patient. And at the same time, we don't have data and claim na pwede namin sabihin sa kanila that this is good for cancer patient. That's why, ang sinasabi lang natin sa aming wellness is the claim or the data na may scientific studies that this machine can help cancer patient and we don't have that. That's the reason why we don't encourage cancer patient to try it because it is not intended for the treatment for cancer. Sunod, paano naman namin sir malalaman kung may cancer na pala kami tapos nag-undergo kami ng treatment? Nag-iisumi ka pa. Tama po ba? Well, we have to understand the energy na ginagamit kung siya ay pwede mag-cause ng cancer. So we have that radiation. We know radiation naman, tama po ba? So we have two types of radiation, the ionizing radiation and the other one is the non-ionizing radiation. So what's the difference? Yung ionizing radiation, it's a spectrum of light. Ibig sabihin, pagdating sa wavelength, maiksi yung wavelength, but the energy is high or the frequency is high. That is the ionizing radiation and the other one is non-ionizing radiation. Ibig sabihin ng non-ionizing radiation, it's a longer wavelength but low energy or frequency. So, na example po natin yan. Katulad dito sa radio, you are using non-ionizing radiation. Ibig sabihin, it's the spectrum which is the wavelength haba, kaya low frequency. Kaya hindi siya nagkukause ng cancer kahit makinig po kayo 24 hours sa radio. But when we talk about ionizing radiation, ibig sabihin is a shorter wavelength, higher energy. Katulad ng X-ray, no? So that is radiation. Kaya hindi ka pwedeng magpara X-ray lagi. Kasi it is a radiation that can definitely have an impact with your cellular level, which is the DNA na pwedeng mag-cause siya ng cancer. Ngayon, the question is, can it cause cancer using the therapy? The answer, that is impossible because we are using different form of energy. It is not radiation, it's bioenergy. So we have to understand the real source of cancer, no? We have that carcinogens, we also have type of virus, no? Katulad ng hepatitis B. It's a type of virus which is the leading cause of liver cirrhosis or liver cancer. So this therapy, hindi po siya pwedeng mag-cause ng cancer because wala siya doon sa mga reason para magkaroon kayo ng cancer.
Ayun, napakaganda sir at talaga na napaka-helpful nito sa atin lalo sa mga listeners natin at hindi pa aware what is the Izumi. So, dito na lang sa natitira natin ilang minuto sir, siguro idagdag din natin ito. Aside sa mga machine na ginagamit ng Izumi, I know na mayroon pa po kayong isang product na doon, lalo ngayon, puso ngayon ng mga sakit, lalo sa mga kabataan natin, kung anong mga napupulot dyan. Meron tayo dito mga kabagong bulan, isang produkto na ipapakilala natin dito sa bulan. Kasi ako, mahilig din ako gumamit ng alcohol, sir. Pero may mga irritation lalo sa mga sugat, lalo kung mata mo, may irritation. Na-try ko tong yung product nyong Sunny Breeze. Pwede po ba sir, ipakilala niyo po sa amin what the Sunny Breeze po? Para sa ganun ay malaman ng ating ugbayan ano yung maitutulong sa isang tao.
Okay. Well, aside from Izumi, I am also handling Sunny Breeze. No, so yung Sunny Breeze naman, this is a hypochlorous acid. So yung hypochlorous acid, ginagawa din ito ng sarili natin na katawan to fight bacteria, viruses or germs, no? So the only difference of hypochlorous acid is that natural siya. Natural.
Okay.
So pag sinabi nating natural, so since your body is natural, so your body needs natural, right?
So compatible ang body mo at yung Sunny Breeze.
Correct.
Yeah.
So ito pong hypochlorous acid to disinfect, no? To disinfect. Ibig sabihin disinfection to kill bacteria and viruses. And the advantage lang ng hypochlorous acid, yung ginagamit kasi natin mga disinfectant, hindi mo siya pwedeng i-ano sa katawan mo, no?
I-spray.
I-spray, no? Katulad ng sa mata, sa
kasi
ilong,
sa
kamay lang siya, tama ba? Kasi nung pandemic, di ba, sinasabi, you have to wash your hands. That is true because according to statistic, we are touching our face subconsciously. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo alam na tinatouch mo siya. So, it's been part of your life that you're touching it. So, kaya pala pinapahugasan tayo ng kamay kasi kung minahawakan kang bacteria, kapag tinouch mo sa mukha mo, sa ilong mo or whatever, hindi makakapasok yung bacteria. No? Kaya, you have to wash. But, even though you wash your hands 100 times, 1,000 times, but we are living in a world full of bacteria and viruses, especially sa air, no? Meron pa din. So, saan ba pumapasok yung mga bacteria and viruses? From the mucous membrane. Pag sinabi nating mucous, it's basa-basa. Like your eyes, your nose is open. Hindi siya covered with the skin. Kasi our skin is to help us to protect from bacteria and viruses. But how about your eyes? How about the nose, your lips? It's open. So there's no protection there. So, ang maganda kay Sunny Breeze, which is the hypochlorous acid, since it is natural, you can spray it, no? Sa mata, sa ilong, tsaka sa bibig.
So, pwede siya.
Yeah, so wala siyang harsh ingredients.
Paano kung nalagyan na yung lips mo, syempre? Ano yan, wala bang problema naman sa'yo?
Well, that's a good, very good question. But of course,
kasi syempre, in-spray mo sa mukha mo, syempre, ang lips mo, mababasa ng Sunny Breeze. So, wala ba yung irritation na something like that or makaka-affect sa iyong Panlasa, I mean.
Yes, yes.
Wala naman.
Correct. Well, we have to check on the ingredients kasi everything is within the ingredients. So there will be a chemical reactions or whatever, or kaya allergies is because of the ingredients. So the good thing about hypochlorous acid, it is made by two ingredients only, which is the salt and water. And the process we call electrolyzing or electrolysis para maging hypochlorous acid siya. So it is not just simple as putting salt and water to disinfect. It must undergo a process called electrolysis to produce hypochlorous acid. So from the chemical point of view, that's NaCl, salt. And this one, this is not NaCl. This is hypochlorous acid. So you can spray it sa ilong, sa mata. So kahit spray mo siya sa kamay. So ang maganda po neto, sir, yung ating hypochlorous acid, this is also FDA registered and approved. And at the same time, 99.99% of bacteria and viruses ang pinapatay niya. So it's the same thing with alcohol. The only difference is you can use it, you can spray it kung saan yung gateway. No? Saan ba yung gateway ng mga bacteria and viruses? Of course, in your eyes, in your nose, and in your mouth. So it is very helpful, especially today. And of course, sa mga medyo maedad na. Kasi kapag maedad na po tayo, our immune system, syempre, mahina na yung immune system mo. And the virus in the environment and bacteria, hindi sila kumukonte. So they're getting like stronger, dumadami. So, kapag mahina ang immune system mo, so you don't have that protection. So kapag pumasok yan sa katawan mo, it might cause a bigger problem, no? Kaya we have this product, Sanibris, also available only in Izumi Wellness Center. And actually, I have my talk by tomorrow. So, meron tayong talk regarding with Sanibris tomorrow. So if you have time, you can visit us there.
Yeah.
Para nang sa ganun, mas maipaliwanag pa po natin itong hypochlorous acid.
Alright. So sir, thank you so much po. At mayroon na tayong 1 minuto. Ang bilis ng oras, bitin na bitin ako sir. Ang dami pong dapat nating malaman, ang dapat nating matutunan what is the Izumi and Sanibris. Pero ito lang, siguro sir, sa mga tagapakinig natin na kasi kulang na kulang ang oras natin. Anong oras po bukas ang Izumi at ano ang kanilang mga dapat asahan sa Izumi pag sila'y nagpunta na doon sa inyong office?
Alright. Well, actually, yung aking explanation, parang nasa 1/4 pa lang.
1/4.
So, kaya we suggest you visit our wellness center so that we can answer your inquiries or whatever you want to ask in regards with our wellness center. So we're open from 8 a.m. actually up to 7. Pero since that we want to cater yung mga lahat, minsan inaabot kami ng 9 to 10 p.m. Ano ho? So from Monday to Saturday, pero pagdating naman po ng Friday, that's gonna be 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Bukas po kami. So setting expectation, just punta kayo doon, mag-register po kayo, and then, yun na po, you go the treatment, intindihin po ninyo how it works. So, kung may question kayo, you have to ask us so that we can answer that. And before I end, I just want to share with you that Izumi Wellness Center, actually, we are promoting health. And according to World Health Organization, health defined as that it is a complete state of physical, mental, social well-being, not merely on the absence of disease and infirmity. So that's health is all about. Kasi tayo, may sakit tayo sa katawan, but healthy yung mind. Meron din naman, may sakit sa isip, pero hindi healthy ang body. So you choose. No? But of course, for us to be healthy, we have to be physically, mentally, and socially healthy. And you know what? The good thing about having a wellness center, it is not just helping people about the health. We are also reuniting people. Kasi for example, when you go to Bulan, yung mga kaklase mo dati, even though you're just in Bulan, pero hindi kayo nakita-kita.
Okay.
But the good thing about Izumi Wellness Center, we are promoting the social well-being to be healthy. So nagkakaroon kayong new friends and also meeting old friends na sa Izumi lang kayo uli nagkita ulit. So we are now reuniting community and of course,
connection na rin sa isa't isa.
correct. Tapos pag nakita mo na mamalengke, you see people, oh, nag-iisumi to. So, not only promoting health, but we are promoting relationship within the community kasi sa panahon po kasi natin ngayon, yung love ang nawawala. And that is the reason why we have wars this time. And also, I just want to encourage everyone, what is my advice during pandemic and how we can help people, especially in Bulan. Well, the wisest thing to do this time, because we are in a crisis, the wisest thing to do is to be healthy. Because we are talking about survival. How can you survive if you're sick? How can you survive if you had this elevated blood pressure? How can you survive if you had this blood sugar, hindi ka na makatulog, stress, etc., etc.? So, for me, the good thing about a wellness center here in Bulan is that we are in a crisis. The wisest thing to do na kung magka-crisis man, you are healthy. Ibig sabihin, mababa ang cholesterol mo, mababa ang sugar mo, mababa ang high blood mo. So kahit pa paano, first, it's your body first. So, yun nga, yun po ang sinasabi natin sa mga nag-iisumi na, ma'am, what we can help you this time during our crisis. We can also help the government during this crisis is, of course, for you to be healthy. No? And the good thing about that, it's for free. Sabi, it's for free. You go there and then make yourself healthy.
And always think positive, always yun. Kasi
Of course.
nagiging maganda yung effect pag nandun ang yung pagiging positive mo sa mga bagay-bagay.
Correct. There's actually an explanation regarding with that, and that is the cortisol, which is the stress hormone. So if you are stressed, you are producing more cortisol. So cortisol, pinabibilis yung tibok ng puso mo once you think in everything. So you're more on the hormones of cortisol. So kapag nag-iisumi ka kasi your body in a relaxation stage. So it means that it will lower, actually not lower your cortisol, but not to produce more cortisol because wala ka sa stress level. So that's another, kaya sa mga listeners natin, especially sa Bulan, since that we are in a crisis, the wisest thing to do is keep your body healthy. And we are here to help you. And of course, it's for free. Why not try it? Try it for yourself. Why not? Sabi nga, sir, ganito.
Ayun yung tanong ko, sir. Bago kita magtapos, sir. Ito, naalala ko, may mawawala ba?
Correct.
Siyempre, try.
May mawawala ba?
Kadalasan, try mo, wala namang mawala.
Correct.
Sa'yo, sir, para sa'yo ang term na yon, ano ba sa'yo?
Alright. Well, for me, pag sinabi mong, mag-try ka mag-isumi kasi walang mawawala sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin, yung sakit mo pala hindi mawawala. So, we have to rephrase it. The word is really powerful. We just have to rephrase it. Like, magpunta ka sa isumi dahil may mawawala sa'yo. By simply like what? Maraming nakakatulog na. Sir, ngayon nakakatulog na ako, whatever. Sir, ganito and everything. Sir, yung aking laboratory is now. So, yun ang mawawala. So, the right word is not, wala naman mawawala sa'yo, but the right word is may mawawala sa'yo. Believe it or not, may mawawala sa'yo.
Yan. I am one of the, sir, buhay na patotoo. Hindi dahil sa kung ano pa man. Kaya matagal ko nang kilala si sir. Ngayon lang ako talaga nag-encourage kay Sir Elijah na i-interview siya. Kasi sabi ko sa sarili ko, itry ko. Mas maganda kasi sa pakiramdam na yung mga kausap mo, nalaman mo sa sarili mo na, totoo nga talaga. Totoo, to be honest, sir, may mga time na hindi pa ako
Convinced. Yeah.
Kasi hindi ko pa naman pero marami na akong kilala, like yung dating kagawad niya sa Zone 6, yung na-stroke. As in, ang kamay niya, hindi niya itong daliri niya, hindi nung mga nakaraang araw, nakita ko doon sa isumi, sabi ko, nag-isumi ka? Oo, sabi ko, anong kamay mo nakabuklad na? Ay,
Kabuka.
Dahil sa isumi yan. Ay, ang ganda ng lakad niyan. Dahil doon, sa tulong na ng mama ko, papa ko, nag-isumi na rin sila, doon na rin ako na-encourage, sir. Kahit sa sobrang busy ko, ginawan ko ng oras, kasi 30 minutes lang naman, sir, di ba?
Correct.
So, thank you so much, Sir Elijah, dahil sa'yo, sa Isumi, maraming katulad namin mga taga-Bulan na natulungan ninyo. Thank you so much for that.
Thank
And
you
of
so
course,
much.
dahil libre pa.
Correct. So we just want to spread the news na you have to try it for yourself. And of course, we have lagi kong sinasabi, dalawa lang yan lagi. We have the believers and non-believers. So para sa mga naniniwala and para sa mga hindi naniniwala, you can try it for yourself.
Yan.
Thank you so much.
So, ito na, sir. Para sa ating mga listeners and viewers, mensahe niyo po sa kanila na tangkilikin ang Isumi at of course matry ang kahalagahan ng Isumi sa ating kalusugan. Go ahead po, sir.
Alright, so to all our listeners and viewers, why don't you try something new? Kaya ang ganda nga ng bagong bulan.
Yeah.
No, bagong bulan, like bago, no? So, ibig sabihin, something new dito sa atin when it comes to our health concern. And ang lagi namin message sa Izumi is that the number one healer is God. Yun ang natin sinasabi. The number one healer is God, and kami lang naman is instrument. So, maximize the instrument. Yun lang lagi namin sinasabi. And of course, kung saan kayo gagaling. So, this is not a competition with any other medical system. It's always a matter, ikaw, saan ka ba gagaling? That is the most important thing to do. So if you want to do that, as long as gagaling ka, that's better. So sa amin naman sa Izumi, ang message ko, give us also the chance to help you. Because ang ginagawa namin also is serving people. Kaya I'm so thankful because we are given the opportunity to help like thousands of people every day.
Wow.
And that's already a blessings for me na you can help more people, and I thank God for giving me that opportunity to serve people every day. And that's a service that we're really focusing on. And bonus na lang yung ibang benefits like nakikilala tayo and whatever. Kaya po yung ating wellness, this is actually good for 3 years old and above. Hindi lang po pwede yung may mga implant. Hindi lang talaga yun pwede because there will be an intervention or reaction from the mechanical, something like that na pwedeng masira yung machine mo, like the pacemaker. So yun lang po yung mga bawal, and for bawal naman doon, in-explain naman natin before the treatment. So makakasigurado po kayo that this is not for you. We will not force you to do it. No, we focus on the root cause. Tandaan po natin, ang Izumi, we are not focusing on the fruit. We're not focusing on your disease. We are focusing on the root, and that is the most important thing to do. You have to remember also that root hindi nakikita. Nakatago siya eh.
Yeah.
The same thing in our body. Hindi mo siya nakikita. Kaya sa Izumi, seen the unseen, and you try it for yourself. Naku, ang dami ko po sana machichika. You know what? I can talk like 10
Hindi
hours.
naman ito, sir, yung huli. May susunod pati in the future.
Alright, thank you. So,
dahil marami pa akong gustong malaman at alamin para makatulong sa ating mga kabayan sa bayan ng Pulan.
thank you. You're always welcome. And of course, syempre may mga branches din tayo pumupunta. So I'll try to make a schedule for you. And for our listeners, if you have question in mind, maybe you can ask that sa sunod kong visit, maybe after 10 years.
Tagal na rin.
Tagal na din.
Anyway, thank you so much po, Sir
Alright,
Elijah,
thank you
sa iyong
so
kasama
much.
po
Thank
sa
you.
pagpaunlak ng aming invitasyon dito sa programang Bagong Bulan. Magaganoon pa man, kami po'y nagagalak, natutuwa sa inyong mga magagandang balitang ibinahagi sa amin. At dun sa mga may doubt sa ganitong bagay, I know na open-minded na sila ngayon, and magkita-kita tayo sa Izumi Wellness. Diyan lang yan sa Barangay Zone 6 sa harap ng South. Thank you so much po, Sir Elijah.
Thank you so much, and God bless you more. Thank
Alright.
you.
Yan po si Sir Elijah, ang ating guest for today sa programang Bagong Bulan. Sa muli, magkita-kita tayo bukas sa araw ng Martes. Dito pa rin sa Wow Smile Radio 95.3 FM. Sa muli, ito po ang inyong kabagong anchorman, Romel Grabador Coro, ang Koro-Koro sa radyo. Bye for now, at babuhay.